Hi my crypto friends, Don Crypto Money here once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly the secret to earning more coins on Hamster Kombat. So when you get to your Telegram app, click on the Hamster Kombat. Once you click on that, click on play, and it's going to load up the Hamster Kombat application like this. So once it loads up, this is what you're going to be seeing. For example, I now have 7,500 coins already mined. So what I'm going to be doing to earn more coins faster is to click on where it says daily combo or daily reward. These are the three things you can do to earn more coins faster on this platform. It says daily reward, daily cheaper, cipher, and daily combo. So I'm going to click on one of these to see what's there. I'm going to click on daily combo, and here you can see that earn more coins. That's what it's saying here. Hamster YouTube. If you watch each of the news, like the first one says daily hamster news, if you watch this news, it's going to give you 100,000 coins. If you watch the Sunana's new star Jason Derulo, it's going to give you 100,000 coins also. And if you watch the third one, Hamster Kombat players, it's going to give you another 100,000 coins. If you watch $300 million in 30 seconds, it's going to give you another 100,000 coins. So I'm going to be watching any one of these coins, for example the first one, to see us earn our first 100,000 coins added to our coin balance. So click on this, and as you can see it says subscribe and remember Hamster has power. It says watch the video, and the instruction here says wait 1 hour for moderation, check to aim to claim the prize. So what you're going to do is to click on where it says watch video. After you watch the video finish, you're going to wait for an hour, then the moderation will now check and give you your point. There you can claim your point after 1 hour of watching the video. So let's watch the video and see how we can claim our 100,000 coins. So I'm clicking on the video to watch it. Click on skip the ad, and this is Hamster Kombat YouTube channel.